Hello everyone and welcome back to Jeffy and Chihuahua. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a keyring holder using a picture frame and sticky hooks that I got from the dollar store. Before we get into this video, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing. Also, if you're interested in handmade dog themed items, check out my shop, Jeffy and Chihuahua. I will leave a link for that down in the description below, as well as some links to my social media if you want to follow me on there. Let's get into it. So we're starting out with a picture frame from the dollar store, and they have a lot of different options. And we're just going to open up our picture frame and take out this little white sheet. Then we're going to take our white sheet to a paper cutting board and measure it. Once we know how wide our piece of paper is, we are going to cut a piece of paper to go back into the picture frame, but this time it's going to look a lot nicer. Once we have our duplicate piece of paper, we're just going to put our new one into our frame face down. So this is what we have so far, and that looks pretty good. The next thing we're going to need is some vinyl for our Cricut machine. And for this next step, you can choose really any shape you'd like. I'm probably going to use a dog shape because I love my little dog. Okay, so I have a couple of things here cut out on my Cricut machine. One of them is my dog's name, Android, and the other is a little image that I have yet to weed out. And I'm just going to take this transfer tape and transfer our name to the top of our project. So I'm just going to center our name and press it down. I'm just going to press it down really well and remove our transfer tape. So there's my final design all weeded out and ready to go, and I'm just going to use the same transfer paper to transfer it onto our picture frame. Alright, so I'm just going to center this and give it a good press, leaving a little bit of space at the bottom for our hooks. And then I will remove our transfer paper. We are finally ready for our last step, and that is these hooks. I did see a lot of different ones available if you wanted a different color or shape, but these ones seemed clear and perfect for our project. I'm just going to place 3 of them along the bottom of our picture frame. I really like that these are self-adhesive hooks, and it seems that they are completely see-through. Just going to give these a nice press. And the adhesive on these seems really sticky. It's getting stuck to my fingers. It's so sticky. And there you have it, a completed project. In total, I estimate that this project probably cost about $3 to make, $1 for the picture frame, $1 for the little hooks, and about $1 for the vinyl and the paper that we used. Overall, I'm super happy with how this turned out. I absolutely love the dog. It doesn't quite look like my Chihuahua, but it is a beautiful, beautiful piece, and I'm excited to hang this on my wall and put some keys on it. Well, thank you guys so much for joining me. Hopefully I'll see you again next time. Bye.